everyone. Welcome back to No Place Like Home. Today we're going to do a wreath. One of my friends they asked me, could I just do a fall wreath? So we're gonna do one today. Okay. So what you will need, you'll need some flowers. All these came from the dollar store. All of these, and you're gonna need some kind of little ring or whatever you got that you can put flowers in. This little holder thing. Then you're gonna need your scissors, and then you're gonna need your watercolor. Also, you're gonna need your glue gun and some type of sign. Um, I might make my own, but I'm gonna see how this one gonna work. If not, I'm gonna make my own sign. Okay, so y'all stay tuned, and I'll be right back. Okay, so the first of all, we're gonna need to cut these little branches here. We're gonna cut them pretty close to the end here with our watercolor. And I might have to cut them some more, but we're gonna cut these. Okay, I'm going to finish cutting these and I'll be right back. So I'm back and I got all my stems cut, and I end up with about 4 different sets of different colors, fall colors. So what I'm gonna do first of all, I'm gonna go ahead and put one of each in my little phone. Okay, here we go. And how you're gonna do this, you're gonna kind of go like a 40 degrees angle, and you're gonna kind of just stick it in like so. Just find the middle of your little phone, and you're gonna kind of just stick it in like so. And I'm gonna kind of use different colors as I go. And I might have to cut them a little bit. So have your little wire color real close here. Keep going in because we're gonna come back and fill the little space in. It is such a beautiful day out here, and I'm so glad it's beginning to be fall. The wind is blowing so nice out here on my patio that I decided to come out here to do this project. It's a little stem thing, kind of bring it down towards the bottom. And then you're going to bring these down. So we're gonna start filling the little spaces in now. And I'm using these little white ones to do that. Okay, after you have finished all of this, then you go back and you kind of just spread them out. Okay, so I decided to use this sign here. It's just a sign that I gotten from Dollar Tree. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut it with some rope. You need some rope. You're gonna flip it around and have your glue gun, and you're just gonna paste it in the back of here. Paste it here. This is just one of the stem that I cut. So I'm just gonna place it here. Okay, you're gonna get your long rope. Then you're gonna come under. Okay, so I'm gonna finish this up and I'm gonna come back and show y'all the final results. Okay, so this is our final results that we did with our wreath. I think we did an awesome job. And I did end up putting my little birds in here. I got a little white one, then I got a little red one. I love birds. And but y'all can put whatever y'all want. If you want to put a pumpkin in there, a pumpkin would be good, and just around, just a little pumpkins. It's just whatever that fits your decor. I just like it just the way it is. So this will go in my living area, and I'm about to get ready to reveal it of all the things that I did in it. But I can try to do it at home, and if so, just have fun. You ain't got to do a whole lot to something, just have fun with it. Okay, so we'll see y'all the next time for the next video. And y'all be blessed and be safe, and we'll see y'all the next time. Bye-bye.